Let's find ebooks. Go to the library website, click on Find Articles, which will bring you to the multi-search page. In multi-search, type in your keywords. Go to Source Type and select ebooks. Always remember to log in so that you have access to all of the library's resources. Click on the ebook that you require and then go to Access Options. We'll show you how to access the ebook. Here you have the option of PDF full text or EPUB full text. EPUB full text allows the image to adapt to your screen, which is good for mobile phones, whereas PDF keeps it in its original format. Here you'll find a list of chapters that you can download, and you have a range of options at the top of the screen. It's saved to a folder. It also gives you information on how to cite